everyone, welcome back to DG Academy. Today's essay is something we all need to think about, a day without nature. Imagine no trees, no birds, no fresh air. Scare you, right? Let's dive into this powerful topic and see why nature is so important in our lives. Nature is a beautiful gift from God. Trees, rivers, animals, birds, fresh air, sunlight, all are the parts of nature. We see nature every day, but you have never thought what a day without nature would be. A day without nature would be dark, dry, and lifeless. Without trees, there would be no fresh air to breathe. Without rivers, there would be no water to drink. Birds would not sing, flowers would not bloom, and there would be silence and sadness. There would be no food, the temperature would rise, and the world would face heat and pollution. Life without nature is like a body without soul. Nature is not just a part of life, it is life. A single day without nature sources how important it is. We must protect trees, save water, and keep our earth clean. Let's love nature, care for it, and make sure we never had how to face a day without it. Thank you. So that was the essay on a day without nature. I hope it made you think about how much we need to protect our environment. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to DG Academy for more such essays every day. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.